Yung mga, alam nila, end of the week na. Ready na mag-celebrate yung mga production boys natin dito. As Christian Season makes the 6th ball. That's actually the first successful break in the last 4 breaks.
Control of the momentum here. Balikan natin yung nangyari kagabi, Noel. They lost 13-11.
Sige, patuloy construction. Mega Sports World, MSW. By night, they're construction workers.
Pockets is 5. Uh-oh.
Controlled it well.
Great shot.
Paul Kenneth Arpilleda, for the second time tonight, will be the victim of a break and run.